Chef Ananya Banerjee and today let's travel to the Middle East. एक कॉमन इंग्रेडिएंट है जो मिडिल ईस्टर्न खाना में जाता ही जाता, वो है पीटा ब्रेड। वो आपको आज मैं सिखाऊंगी विदाउट अवन, विदाउट ईस्ट, घर में इजीली कैसे बना सकते हैं। फॉर मेकिंग पीटा ब्रेड विदाउट एनी ईस्ट there are certain elements you have to use: dahi, milk, oil, chini, and what will make the pita bread rise is baking powder and baking soda. Just follow this recipe. If you want to use yeast, you can go ahead and do that. Even you can bake this in the oven, but I am using a way which easily you can make it at home. First, adding the wet ingredients. First goes some dahi, half cup of milk. The milk is little lukewarm. फिर इसमें जाएगा पानी भी गया, and some oil. चीनी also is wet ingredients. So ये सबको बहुत अच्छी तरह से मिला देना है। तब तक मिक्स करना है जब तक चीनी फुल डिज़ोल्व ना हो जाए। अभी चीनी कैसे डिज़ोल्व होगा? अभी ये मिक्स में मुझे मिक्स करना है ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स। With the help of a sieve, what I am going to do is I am going to sieve the atta and the maida. The maida, 2 cups of maida and 1 cup of atta. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon baking powder. सबको करना है मिक्स। ये सबको एक अच्छी तरह से मिक्स करके डो बना लेना है। This will take you about 7 to 8 minutes to do a proper dough. It will be very sticky in the beginning, but you keep kneading and everything will come together. And the way to knead is push it and then pull it back. So now the dough is pliable. Just apply some olive oil on top, cover and keep for about half an hour. Cover it with a wet muslin cloth and keep it for half an hour. आधा घंटा बाद take the dough out. Yes, it is pliable and soft. इसका पेड़ा बना लेना है। We make 2 pita bread and show. Keep the remaining one covered. With the help of some atta. Okay, now just put it on the tawa, and how you do your rotis, similar way, and 1 pita bread is done. So my pita bread is done. Pita bread is one such thing. It has versatile use in Lebanese and all Middle Eastern food. So one way of serving, I'm just showing you. Cut the pita bread into small little triangles. You can also make pita chips out of it. Just put it in the oven and make it kadak chips. That's also very nice. So pita triangles are ready. I'm going to plate it up now. I have some hummus ready with me. Showing you one easy way to plate hummus. Dip your fork with some olive oil, then some chili powder, and place it on this. And dip some olive oil in this. Few soaked chickpeas, and place the pita bread all around this. तो आपके लिए रेडी है पीटा ब्रेड विच इज़ वेरी वर्सेटाइल। रेसिपी अगर अच्छी लगी एंड यू कैन यूज़ दिस, यू थिंक, डू लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब।